Guys, when I tell you I've had a week, I've had a week. Both mowers went out. This one went out first. Then I started using my little one. Little one went out. Little one wasn't a problem. It was just the deck belt broke. The only problem was I didn't have backups because I bought this one last year. Didn't get backups. I got backups on everything with this one. So I had to wait for this to come. We got this fixed. Okay, it's running good. This one was a huge problem. For one, my bolts in my mower were loose. The engine mounts were loose. There was only one bolt in there. This thing was moving and rocking. Rocked so hard that it knocked my clutch wires and stuff loose and my clutch loose. Replaced the clutch on this baby, still wouldn't work. Super frustrated. Replaced the fuel filter on there, still wouldn't work because it would bog down when I would cut on the deck. It would bog down. After replacing everything, it's been about 3 or 4 days I've been working on this thing, man. I just got so frustrated. There's no real videos on YouTube on how to work on these stand-ons. Most of the videos are sit-down mowers to work on. But after just fiddling with it for a while, this freaking wire, the connectors, I cut them. The connectors that go from the clutch to the mower, the connectors inside were loose. Now, the kicker to this is they don't sell these replacement things. You would have to buy a whole new wire harnessing kit. So what I did is I cut the connector straight off of here. These go into the mower, these orange wires. I cut this connector was on this orange wire. Cut it off, ripped the wires, and just cut the connectors off of my clutch wire and just ran them straight mower to mower. Wire, straight black wire to red wire without these clips in here, cranked up without a problem. So the whole time it was these loose terminal brackets in here. They get loose and worn out, and every time I would try to cut my mower on, sometimes it would cut on, like it would crank up, but sometimes the blades wouldn't engage. Sometimes it would just bog the mower out. Couldn't find out the whole time it was these things. So they don't sell these individual, so you're gonna have to cut it, splice it just straight wire to wire to the clutch from the mower, splice it, electrical tape it up. I'll show you guys a crank up on a dime now without a problem. Man, this is a headache. This is a headache work right here. Before it would just bog down and cut off and stuff. And the brackets were too weak. I guess they weren't getting a good connection. So before you guys go buy a new clutch or anything, check your terminal wires, and you might have to cut the terminal and just wire it straight, man. Hope this video helps somebody out, because I wish somebody would have made a video about this for me. Everybody say the wiring go bad and everything, but it's the terminals that go bad first.